I'll be running an older version of FOCA, which is suitable and work just fine. I'll be making use of Windows 7 since FOCA is a Windows-based tool. This FOCA version is available from the 11path website, www.11path.com. So I can just come to Google and type OSINT. OSINT tool FOCA, and I'll hit enter. Now the first link is the 11path website. Then I'll click on it. I'll go down to the bottom of the page. I'll click on here to download FOCA. Then I'll accept the terms and conditions, and then I can now download FOCA. I'll click on OK. I can now close this window. Okay, I have successfully downloaded FOCA. Now I can go to the download. Okay, there I have FOCA. Now I can unzip it. Now I have FOCA. Now I'll double click to enter into the folder. Now I have two folders. I'll go into the bin folder where I have my foca.exe file. Now to launch FOCA, I'll double click on the foca.exe. The first task we need to do is to start a new project and then tell FOCA where we want to save our result. I'll create a new directory at my C directory where I'm going to save all my results there. So I'll just go to my then I can create a folder called name FOCA. Now I can come back to FOCA and then create a new project. Now I'm going to name the project AVG, and then our domain website is avg.com, which is the popular antivirus company. Then I'll now specify the location where I want to save my result. Then I'll go to that folder that I have created in my C directory, FOCA. Then I'll click on the create button. Now I will save my results. A project has been created successfully. I'll click on OK. We can select the type of search engines we wish to use and also the file types we want to search for metadata in the upper right part of the Explorer, or click all to search for all file types that FOCA support. I choose to search for Word files only, so I will select the doc files and click on search all button. So I'll just click on none, and then I'll come over and select doc, and then I want to make use of all the three search engines, and then I'll click on search all. I got a prompt, and then I'll just click on OK. Now that we have downloaded the doc files, I'll extract metadata from the files and then proceed to analyze all the metadata in them. Microsoft Office files collect significant amount of data as they have been created and edited that we can then extract. To extract all the metadata, I'll right click on the downloaded files, I'll download all the files, and then select extract all metadata option. So I'll just come over and then right click and then select on download all the files. Now I can come over again, right click and then select on extract all metadata. Now I'll go back again, right click and then select on analyze metadata. After FOCA has finished analyzing the extracted metadata, we can then look through to see the information we have been able to gather. Just beneath the metadata document folder is another folder titled metadata summary. Now we can click on it and it reveals the types of metadata it has collected from the files. This metadata is broken into 8 categories. We have users, we have folders, printers, softwares, emails, operating system, passwords, and servers. Let's look at users first. When we click on users, we can see that FOCA has collected the names of every user that work on those files. Clicking on software, we can see the various editions of Microsoft Office that has been used to create those documents. No emails were found. Under operating system, we can see that Windows XP has been used in creating those documents. 3 of those documents we have extracted, and we all know that Windows XP is a legacy operating system which contains a lot of vulnerabilities.